5 effective ways to make your home mosquito-free. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Everyone wants a home free of mosquitoes. And there are many ways we want to try to do it in our home, such as buying products like sprayers, lotions, electronic devices, and anything else we can buy in the market as long as it removes or kills mosquitoes. It's okay for us to spend money as long as our homes are free of mosquitoes. Many also try or use natural methods, such as using herbs, oils, plant-derived against mosquitoes and much more. But no matter how effective they all may be, and we try to use them every day, if our homes are not clean and cluttered, mosquitoes and other insects will just keep coming and going back to our homes. In this video we will learn the proper way to use these products in conjunction with cleaning to get rid of the mosquitoes and other insects in any part of our house. Here are 5 effective ways or methods. Number 1. Spray the entire house first. Even in garages and storage rooms we must include sprays, so that mosquitoes can die or evacuate first, even the other insects. It is best and safe to start cleaning without mosquitoes and insects to fly or crawl. Number 2. Let's start inside our house. Let's start first with the bedrooms. All the clutter and cushions on the sides, edge to the bottom of the bed must be removed and carefully cleaned. It is also a good idea to have laundry items removed from the room, as it is one where mosquitoes hide. Number 3. The living room. Like cleaning the bedrooms, we must clean the corners and edges of our living space, including under sofas, cabinets and cupboards. If there is a flower vase or plant with stock water, replace it with fresh water regularly to avoid mosquitoes to lay eggs. If there is a small trash can, regularly dispose the garbage and also clean it properly. If the shoe rack is in the living room, it is also advisable to clean it regularly, as it is one where mosquitoes hide and other insects. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know, and please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new FastKlean videos. Number 4. Next up is the kitchen. Kitchen is the part of our house that is difficult to clean and where we detect not only mosquitoes but various types of insects. We should first clean the cabinets where we store cooking utensils and other kitchen cooking materials. The grease trap of our sinks should also make sure that it is kept clean, as it is one attracting the insects. Number 5. Comfort room and shower room. Often in homes, these two are already together. It is also important to clean them often, as this is the place in our house that is always wet, so mosquitoes lurk around its edges, bottoms and corners. Mosquitoes can also lay eggs if there are parts of it that we don't notice that are stored with a little water, so it's important to always clean our comfort rooms and shower rooms. Overall, after we have cleaned our homes including the backyards and gardens, we can now add or put anti-mosquito products to every part of our house, so that we can just do simple daily cleaning to keep our homes free of mosquitoes as well as various insects. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out about the 4 fun ways to clean our home with our kids. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Check the description below to see our favorite products. FastKlean works in partnership with Bravo. Together we want to change the world. Check our descriptions below to see our favorite products and use a special code for a 10% discount when you order via our channel.